Quick Trig, Episode 1. So, we want to take a look at the Pythagorean identities. We're going to do them one at a time. Episode 1, we're going to deal with the one that most people seem to remember, but that's a good place to start. So here we go. Suppose I've got a right triangle with an angle theta, and I'm going to put a hypotenuse of length 1. Okay. Now, I'm going to call this side length x, this side length y. By definition, the sine of the angle is the opposite side over the hypotenuse, so y divided by 1. Well, in this case, since y divided by 1 is y, that tells me that y is equal to the sine theta. So the length of this vertical side is sine theta. Likewise, if I look at the cosine of theta, that should be the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. X divided by 1. This tells me that x is equal to cosine theta. The length of this side adjacent to the angle here is the cosine of the angle. This, of course, is all because the hypotenuse has length 1. Now, remember, our buddy Pythagoras, he told us that in any right triangle, if you have side lengths AB and hypotenuse of length C, that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So what does Pythagoras have to say about this triangle over here? Well, Pythagoras would say that the sum of the squares of the two sides, so cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta, should equal hypotenuse squared. Generally, though, we write this 1 squared as just 1, so we would write that cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. There you go. There's the first Pythagorean identity. Stay tuned for the others in episodes 2 and 3.